Hi everybody, today's Petronas sponsor day for me. Petronas is obviously a great partner to have, and we're here in Malaysia now. And so we just went into the rainforest right next to Kuala Lumpur, and it's like a whole recreational park here where they do a lot of research also about rainforest and things like that, which is very important, surely, with the way the world is going, to keep up our rainforests. Yeah, and I'm in the car now with best PR manager in the paddock, Mr. George Nolte himself, in the back. Number one, Bradley, what's your last name? Cooper, Lord, and on the left here, Haley. Yeah, there we go. That's the end of the PR day now. Yeah, quite an eventful day. Just finished the day now with a visit to the Children's Hospital where they specialize in heart surgery. That was quite tough to see, quite impressive. But it was nice to be there and give them a nice time, you know, especially the parents and the doctors and everybody. They really enjoyed it, which was great. And yeah, so I mean, all in all, a successful day for Petronas, and now back at the hotel, and that's it.